Sergio Piano and I took part in the last edition of Straumann SmileAward. What pushed me to be part of it was the willing to show how, with a simple treatment, was possible to change patient life. In addition, in this choice played an important role also the possibility to make charity donation in case of being one of the winners. And I'm very happy to have had this great pleasure.
Hi, I'm Dr. Philip Tan from Australia. I entered the Straumann SmileAward in 2021 and was blessed enough to win one of the prizes. I'm here to encourage you to enter the Straumann SmileAward for 2022. It's a great opportunity to share what you've been doing. It's also a fantastic time to look and see what other people around the world have been up to and appreciate their efforts and how we all help our patients. So would you please think about it and, if possible, enter the Straumann SmileAwards for 2022.
Hi guys, my name is Dr. Karla Soto and I want to encourage you to go ahead and submit cases to the SmileAward, the Straumann SmileAward. It was an incredible experience for me, and to be rewarded for the most important thing that we do, not a technique, not a execution, but to be rewarded for changing people's lives, which is truly our calling, what we're meant to do. And it was the coolest twist of events last year when, I got to take home the Purpose Award. So I encourage everybody, go and submit your cases. It's gonna be a really incredible experience. So good luck to you. You could be the next winner. Bye.